See, in this question, what we need to do, have to calculate the current through 8 ohm resistor by using source transformation. Okay, source transformation, source conversion about it, that if we are having a voltage source connected in the resistor, then only in that case we can convert it into the current source like this. I told you already. And if we are having a current source should be parallel with the resistance, and in that case convert it into the right. One more thing you should know about it, that if we are having a two current source that are connected parallel, okay, means the voltage across these current source same, and if current source are moving in the same direction, like both are moving upward, then the current would add with each. 4 plus 6 is 10. But in this next case, current are moving in opposite direction. I 6 ampere is moving upward, 4 ampere is moving downward. So in this case, current would subtract with. So what will take the direction? Direction is whichever current is bigger. Okay, understood? Now as you can see that in this case, 4 ampere and 6 ampere don't have the same potential. Why is it so? Because they have connected resistance 4 ampere and 6 ampere. In that case, it won't be converted into a single current source. Okay, got it? Next, if the two voltage source are connected in series means positive negative, then positive, then it means that voltage will add with each other. But if two voltage source are connected in the opposite direction means first positive negative, then negative positive, then in that case voltage would be subtracted with each other, right? Voltage would be subtracted with each other. Then in that case, what would be the sign? Like again, whichever battery is bigger, than in that case. So we were doing this question. As you can see that in whichever branch we need to calculate the current, we don't touch that resistor. Okay, we'll start from here. As you can see that 10 volt is connected in series with 2 ohm. We can convert it into the current source, right? If we'll convert it into the current source, then what would be the value? That two resistance connected in parallel, then I value would be equal to how much? V by R. V, then R is, that would be 5 ampere, right? Now as you can see that these two current sources are in the opposite direction, the voltage across the points is, these two current would subtract with each other, that is 5 minus 2 ampere, or 5 minus 2 ampere is equal to 3 ampere, right? And direction is according to the bigger current. Ohm will remain as it is. Again, as you can see that current source is connected in parallel with the resistance, and simply convert it into the voltage source, like, right? Now again you can see that 6 voltage source and 3 voltage are connected in series, and the battery are in series. It would be 6 plus 3, that would be 9 volt connected in series, the resistance of 2. Again the voltage source connected in series with the resistance, so can be converted into the current source, right? Again, as you can see that current source is connected in parallel with the resistance, this can be converted back to the voltage source. Now again, as you can see that voltage and this voltage are connected opposite, so that would be subtracted, that would be 5 minus 0.125. Now we need to calculate the total current. Total current is total voltage divided by the total voltage is this one, and total resistance is this one. We can get the value for current. This is how we can do the source transformation. Got it? Now next thing is you have to do for the mesh analysis, that your homework question. If you will be able to do kinds of questions perfect in mesh analysis, okay, if you are still stucking in this kind of question, then you need to practice it. Like for this, how many variables are there? 4 variables. 4 variables means 4 mesh, 4 equation. And in this one way, you will need to make a super mesh equation, right? Again, this also you need to do it by mesh analysis. In this, you need to calculate the voltage in X and Y. These questions already come in your university. That's why I'm giving. Again, this one, You have to calculate the current through 7 ohm by using Thevenin theorem, and in this also you have to calculate the Vs by using superposition theorem. Superposition. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask from. Okay.